Hello and welcome to another how-to video from Burstek. In this video we'll be showing you the various options and configuration choices that are available for the log sources in the LogAnalyzer 7 or SE application. So here we have the application installed and right out of the box, no configuration or anything done yet. So the first thing we're going to want to do is up in the top right corner, go ahead and enter in the default password, which is 1234 5. Click OK, and that's going to give us full access to all the features in LogAnalyzer. To set up a log source, which is going to be our first priority, we want to go into the log source tab and go to new log source. It's going to give us the option to configure the log source for what we want to read. In a previous video, we've discussed setting up the MSDE style log source. We'll go ahead and plug that one in here again for purposes of this video. So we enter in the name of our ISO server and go ahead and click apply. And then we go back to the common options. It gives us the option to select the test button. And we see that we have our log sources set up correctly. Go ahead and click the OK button and the log source shows up there. Now, you're not restricted to one log source in LogAnalyzer. We can create different log sources for different functions. All we need to do is come up, select new log source again, and we can start entering in different log sources. For example, if you're running BT web filter on the ISO server, you may want to read the filter logs. In that case, we just put in the server name with the share directory and go ahead and click test again. Make sure we have the files, we can see the files, and click OK. And now we have two different log sources. You can keep adding log sources for as many devices that you want to read information from. As far as configuring the individual log sources, click on the log source properties option, and you'll see you have multiple options across the top here. Now, we've already discussed the advanced tab when we were talking about setting up the MSDE file and connecting to our ISO server. There are a few other user ID handling options here. The default is the authentication mode, which we recommend leaving that selected unless there's a specific reason for selecting one of the other two. The loading tab gives us the option to set up how we want to bring the data into LogAnalyzer. The default is set for automatic and according to the schedule that you supply. We recommend doing this every day, just to make sure if you're loading every day, you're getting the most current information for your reports. A couple other options are for the loading algorithm. You can load only new log data that's in the log source, or you can load all the log data from day one. The load all log data option is used if you've previously deleted portions of your logs and you want to just reload everything back into your server so that you can report on that data as well. Categorization tab covers all the functions that are related to matching up the URLs that are in your database to the control list that you download. The options here are manual or automatic if it gets done on log data loading, and you can do it according to a schedule. We recommend doing it on log data loading to keep all those processes running the same. You can do a pre-categorization algorithm. You can categorize non-categorized log data only, or you can categorize log data for specific time intervals, including completely recategorizing all data in the server. And the last option is the automatic purge. This will help you keep maintaining your database sizes. You can set this to delete log data older than a specific number of calendar days, and you can schedule the date in which you want and time in which you want the purge to occur. The reoccurrence schema, how often do you want the purge to occur, and the notifications that you want to send out to yourself or any other users. This concludes this video on the log sources, configuration options and choices for LogAnalyzer SE. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful and encourage any feedback you may have that would help us to continue providing quality training videos. Thank you for watching.